Hello, and welcome again to abledaily. It's been a while and I thought about beginning to share some useful tips on different aspects of self-development, and today let's start with the importance of having a healthy body and mind. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to neglect our physical and mental health. But taking care of ourselves is actually crucial for our overall well-being. Here's 7 essential things that you can do to have a healthy body and mind. 1. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for our physical and mental health. It helps to repair our bodies and minds, and it promotes better mood and concentration. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. 2. Exercise regularly. Exercise is not only good for your physical health, but also your mental health. It can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, and improve your mood and self-esteem. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. I have some fitness tutorials on my channel to help you all the way. 3. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein is essential for maintaining a healthy body and mind. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks, and try to limit your intake of alcohol. 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for maintaining good health. It helps to regulate body temperature, transport nutrients, and remove waste. Although to some may be hard, but aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. 5. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and fully engaged in the moment. It can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, and improve your overall well-being. Try to practice mindfulness for 10 minutes a day, such as meditating or taking a deep breath. 6. Connect with others. Social connections are essential for our mental health. They can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, and improve our mood and self-esteem. Make time for social activities with friends and family, and try to connect with people who share your interests. 7. Take breaks. Taking breaks throughout the day can help to reduce stress and improve productivity. Take a short walk, listen to music, or do something you enjoy during your breaks.